What if you grew 1 inch every single second? At first, you wouldn't notice. You were just sitting on your couch, scrolling through your phone. Maybe your pants feel a little tight. But math is scary. 1 inch per second means 5 feet every minute. By the time this video intro is over, you have already hit your head on the ceiling. Hard. Ouch. You stand up to relieve the pressure, but that is a mistake. Your head goes straight through the roof. Your clothes rip apart instantly. You are now standing in the ruins of your house, in your underwear, while your neighbors scream in terror. You try to apologize, saying, "Sorry about the noise," but your vocal cords have grown too. Your voice is now so deep the sound wave shatters every window in the neighborhood. The police arrive. They think you are a monster. They start shooting. But your skin is now thick like tank armor. The bullets just bounce off your shins. It tickles. You try to scratch your leg, but you accidentally crush a police car. Oops. 10 minutes have passed. You are now 300 feet tall. You are officially taller than the Statue of Liberty. The government panics. They call in the Air Force. Fighter jets buzz around your head like angry mosquitoes. It is very annoying. You wave your hand to shoo them away and accidentally slap a jet out of the sky. You realize you can't stay here. You are destroying the city just by standing in it. You decide to walk to the ocean. But walking is difficult when you are this big. One step creates a magnitude 7 earthquake. You step into the Atlantic Ocean. The water only comes up to your knees. You accidentally kick the water and create a massive tsunami that floods Florida. Sorry, Florida. You are getting hungry. A normal burger is now the size of a microscopic atom to you. You see the Goodyear blimp flying nearby. You grab it and eat it like a grape. It tastes like rubber and helium. Not delicious. 1 hour in, you are now 3,000 feet tall. Your head has officially left the atmosphere. The silence of space is peaceful, but there is a problem. You can't breathe oxygen anymore. Luckily, logic doesn't apply here, so you just hold your breath. Space debris is a problem. Satellites are hitting your forehead. The International Space Station gets stuck in your hair like a comb. You look down. The Earth looks like a beach ball between your feet. You feel tired, so you decide to sit down on the North Pole. Your weight is so massive that you start altering the Earth's orbit. Gravity is getting weird. Because you are so massive, you have your own gravitational pull. People in Australia aren't falling down anymore, they are falling up towards you. The moon swings by. It hits you in the shoulder. You grab it. It's a nice rock, heavy, cold, and dusty. You decide to keep it in your pocket. 3 hours have passed. You are now bigger than the planet Jupiter. The Earth is just a marble rolling around near your feet. You have to be careful not to step on it. You are floating in the center of the solar system. The sun is right in front of you. It's hot, but to you it feels like a nice campfire. You use the sun to roast a marshmallow you found, which is actually the planet Venus. You are bored. You start rearranging the planets. You spin Saturn on your finger like a basketball. You play marbles with Mars and Mercury. But you are still growing. Soon, the sun is just a glowing light bulb. You are so big that light takes minutes to travel from your toes to your brain. If you stubbed your toe right now, you wouldn't feel the pain for 20 minutes. 10 hours later, you have outgrown the solar system. You are now drifting in deep space. You see the Milky Way galaxy spinning below you. It looks like a glowing fidget spinner. Black holes try to suck you in, but they are just like tiny vacuum cleaners. You plug them with your finger. You look around. It is dark and lonely. There is nobody else this big. You try to find another galaxy to play with, but they are millions of light years away. You are growing faster than the speed of light now. Physics has completely broken down. You are becoming larger than the observable universe. Your head hits the ceiling of reality. You push against the fabric of space-time. It starts to stretch. It sounds like ripping fabric. Suddenly, you hear a loud crack. Everything goes white. then blue. A giant text appears in the sky. Error 404. Universe out of memory. Stickman.exe is too thick. Please contact your system administrator to reboot reality. Goodbye.